So how are you? So in this video tutorial, well, this is Ujjwal Kumar Sen, and in this video tutorial I'm going to share with you couple of videos those has been asked in GATE, and the topic is same, that is tool life, and it is also known as Taylor's tool life. So probably you know what is tool life equation, just like Vt to the power n is equal to constant, right? And this n is having different values all the time. This is known as Taylor's tool life, or tool life exponent, you can say. Okay, so based on this equation, in GATE examination they have asked question several times. I have a record of this, they have question around 13 14 times. I have seen questions, probably I missed some questions, and it is more than even 13 times they have asked till now in GATE. So in this video total I'm going to share with you about this, about this topic, at least 5 questions those has been asked in GATE. That's why you'll have approach, and all questions are having different angle to solve question, and all of the question, in all of the question we are using the same equation, that is Vt to the power n is equal to constant. Just like in front of you a question is here, and in this question what we have to find out, that is tool life. So tool life is denoted by T, so we have to find out T, and we have an equation V to the power n is equal to constant. This is the equation, like, so we have to use what given in the question, and by using those things we can find out the answer, what required, what have been asked, right? So here they have x 10 hours, tool life is 10 hours. Okay, so tool life is 10 hours, right? And then they said single pan cutting to, and speed is here v is equal to 63 meter per minute. Okay, so first unit. Okay, so I have to convert it into minute, then it would be what, this would be 600 minute, right? Now what I have to do, I have to read further. If Taylor's constant C is equal to 257.35 and tool life on doubling the velocity, if we are in doubling the velocity, just like case 1 here, okay, if they are increasing case 2, if they are increasing its velocity, that means if velocity would be double, 63 multiple to what, 126 meter per minute, then T is equal to what, right? So what we have given here, if we'll use this equation, we have 126, T we have to find out, and we don't know, and C we have given 257.35. so by using these data, if I can able to find out n, that is tool life exponent, then I can easily find out the value of T. So this is the thing, first of all you have to read the question, then first write what you have to find out, then see what given or what is not given, find out all things together, and then find out the final answer. That is the key to get success, or key to solve numerical problems, right? So this is about it. Now what I have to do, I have to again we use that equation, v to the power n is equal to constant, v is 63 here, T is 600 minutes per to the power n, and 57.35. so what I have to find out, n I have to find out. So what I will do, I will send 63 to that side. Okay, so 257.35 by 63. Okay, now I can do calculation, but what I am doing, I am doing applying log both side, applying log both side. Okay, so n will be come out, n natural log 600, and here the do. Okay, same value is here. So n is equal to, what will happen, this do divided by 600, this do means this value. Okay, so answer I have to find out, natural log 257.35 divided by 63 divided natural log 600. Okay, we are getting n is equal to 0.2199, right? This is the thing we are getting. So I can write here 0.2199. Now what I have to do, I have to send this value to this side. So T to the power 0.2199, 257.35 by 126. Now this is here, so if I will send this value that side, what will happen, what will happen? 1 by reciprocal will be happen. So t is equal to 257.35 126 1 by 0.2199. So 257.35 126 1 divided by 1 divided by 0.2199. So how much exactly we are getting here? Values 25.72 tool life in, that should be in minutes. So this is the tool life 25.72. So the answer is C here. I hope you understand how I have solved this question. So this is the way to solve question, and and the first question is over. Now what we'll do, we'll go move to the second question that we have just given here, and of course the formula would be same what I am using, but approach and the question angle of the question is different. So let's go for that question. Yeah, right now we are having this question, and this question has been asked in linked. I mean, two questions they have asked from here, but I am sharing with you in this video only Taylor's tool life. Okay, so that's why this question is here. Now what we have given in this question, applying Taylor's tool life is, so they have option is here, that is Vt to the power 0.25 is equal to 160. I have to find out tool life. Again I have to find out T. Now thing is here, everything is given, I have to just find out V. I have to find out V, and what we know, V is equal to pi dn by 1000. That's because of that unit. So pi d is how much we have to find out from this question only. So we have given diameter is 50. We have to find out n, length is this, and turn, yeah, we have to find out this n. So 200 is given here by 1000. If I'll do this, so 10 multiple 3.14 3.1 31.4, its velocity meter per minute. Everything is everything is given. So this is how we can solve question. Velocity we got how much? 31.4 meter per minute. Now I have to solve this value here. So 31.4 t to the power 0.25 160. I can send this value here, t to the power 0.25 160 31.4. So what I can do, I can send this value to this side. So 1 by 0.25. After solving this, we get the answer. So let's do it. 160 divided by 31.4 and 1 divided 0.25. So what we got here, 674.157 is the right answer. So it is in minutes because we got this in minute. So this is the answer. The B is the right answer for this question. I hope you have understand each and everything what I am sharing with you right now, and I am using that same concept, but the way to use the concept is different, and this is a very common formula. Okay, I have already shared with you in my previous videos about drilling. There I have shared with you about this formula, and this is a very common formula. We have studied about this formula every time to convert velocity into RPM or RPM into velocity. This is the relation, most useful relation in you can say in mechanical engineering. Okay, we have used in different subjects in this relation only. Probably I'm a little bit fast, right? But yeah, I can speak slow also. So let's go for the next question. What question? The question number 3 we have right now, and in this question what we have given, I'm not going to see because I have already shared with you the relation, one relation that is important, which we will use that relation in each and every numerical problems. So what we got here, we have to find out tool life. So tool life T we have to find out. We have given V is equal to 40 meter per minute velocity. So we know that V to the power n is equal to constant. So we have given V, that is 40. We don't know T, we have to find out. N we don't know, C we don't know. Anyhow, if we can come to know about N and C, our job done. Right? Now we have to read the question because we require these two values. We require these two values. Without these values, we cannot solve the question. Now, in a cutting test, okay, flash were, okay, tool were cutting, okay, a tool life of 10 minutes was obtained at a cutting speed this. So we have a case. Case 1, they have given that T t is equal to 10 minute, tool life is equal to 10 minute, and cutting velocity is 20 meter per minute. Taking tool life exponent, okay, we found that 0.25. Now we have what we required, c only. If anyhow we can find out c, then we can solve the question. Okay, so we have given this option for n is equal to 0.25 also. Now what we know, dt to the power n equal to constant, we have everything here. So by using these values we can find out c. So v20, t10 and 0.25 is equal to c. We'll solve this problem, we'll solve this equation. After solving this we can get the value of c, and put the value of c here and get the answer. Okay, so what we require right now, we required calculator. 20 multiple 10 to the power 0.5, 35.6. okay, so value of c is 35.56. okay, so 35.56. what I will do, I will send this value this side, so cut this and put it here. What I will do, I will send with value side 1 by 0.25. okay, so calculator again useful. 35.56 divided 40, so what 1 divided 0.25, what is the answer, 0.62, 0.6246. which one is the answer here? A is the right answer for this question. I hope you understand this, right? And is there any other thing I am using to solve numerical problem other than v to the power n is equal to constant? I don't think so. Yeah, I am using some basic concept, those probably you also know. Anybody can tell, I mean almost anybody, those are preparing for examination just like GATE. So this is all about the tool, Taylor's tool life. Okay, now let's move for the fourth question, question number 4. I'm sure you are enjoying the tutorial, right? So let's move to the question number 4. Yeah, we have the question, and this question also asked in GATE previous year paper. Right now you can read the question again. I am not going to use the that old formula, first write down what given and all that. I am just going to use the basic concept, the most important tips, that is what I have to find out from this question, what I have to find out. So tool life for the cutting speed, again I have to find out t is equal to what. So I will write that equation, v to the power n is equal to constant, and they said cutting speed is this, so I will write in the place of v, tool I have to find out and c. Now again, if anyhow I can manage to get value of n and c, I can find out the answer. Okay, now I read the question. Okay, they have given case here also. Okay, case. So they said for turning nickel and chromium alloy steel at cutting speed of v is equal to 64, unit play most important role. Don't forget to write unit, right? Speed of this and this 100 meter, v1 is this, v2 is 100 meter per minute. The respective tool lives are T1 is equal to 15 minutes, T2 is equal to 12 minutes. Right. Now tool life for cutting speed this. So this is another important question. Again from the equation we can say V1 T1 is equal to V2 T2 to the power n. We have this equation also. So what we can find out from this, the value of n is equal to what? N is equal to what? We have to find out from this equation, right? So let's go for it. Try it, man. If you are just watching this video, then probably this video tutorial is not going to help you that much. I'm sure. If you are just watching this video, then probably this video tutorial cannot help you too much. But if you are using pen, pencil as well as your brain while solving problem, then I'm sure this video tutorial can help you a lot. Okay, so just pause this video and try to solve yourself after getting these values, because if you will only watch how to solve, then probably you will come to know how to solve, but you are not practicing. Practice a lot. Okay, so what we got here, v1 t to the power n is equal to v2 to the power n. Okay, so we have to find out value of n from here. So what we can do, v1 will send this v2 to this side, will t1 this side, t2 by t1 to the power n, right? Now I can use log, so in v1 v2 t2 by t1 whole to the power n. So n will come this side, so it will happen n t2 by t1 is equal to v1 by v2. Okay, so we can send this value to this side. Okay, we're just sending here t2 by t1. Got it? So n is equal to what we are getting, in v1 by v2 in t2 by t1. So not in, it's ln, sorry for that, it's natural log, right? So what we got, it's a natural log. v1 is 64, v2 is 100, natural log t2 is 12 and t1 is 15. So we have to just use calculator. Natural log 64, so it's 0.64, right? Divided natural log 12 divided by, yeah, just use that, 12 divided by 15. So it's n is equal to 2 here. We got n is equal to 2. Now is there any way to get c, the value of c? Yes, we can find out the value of c by using any equation among these. So we got here v1 t to the power n is equal to constant, like constant is equal to v1 64, t is 15 to the square. So what we got here, 64 into 15 square, we are getting 14,400. Okay, so we can use that. So here what we have to do, 14,400 divided 144 and whole to the power 1 by 2. Then we can find out the answer. So it's 10 minutes. We are getting what? It's c, we are, okay, t is equal to 10 minutes. I hope you have learned the approach what I am sharing with you right now, and the single formula can change the way you think. I mean, can you understand where we can use this formula to find out answers? There are a lot of space. I mean, how they can confuse you in the single formula only. So this is great, man. You have to prepare very well. So here, now what we got, another question we got here. Let me find out the pen. Yeah. So another question we got here, and this is the last question. I am not going to share with any question. Because this is a 5th number question, right? So it's been a little bit lengthy. Usually I create videos about 10 to 15 minutes, but this is till now around 17 minutes I have been talking and I have been solving question. Now probably it will take another 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll end this video tutorial. Okay, hope you are enjoying a lot, and this is my main motto for creating lot of videos for you guys. That's why you can get success. Now another question we got, and in this question we cannot say any, I cannot say any values, so that means this would be more interesting, right? So let's go for it. What I have to find out first, let me see the exponent n in the Taylor's. Okay, here I have to find out value of n. So we know that what, v to the power n is equal to constant. So what we required, we need v, we need t, we need c. That means we have to find out 3 things from this question only. And as you can see from this question, I cannot see any values. So I have to read the question carefully. What is about the question? So in this question, in a machining operation, doubling the cutting speed reduces the tool life to, okay. So they are saying if v1 there is case and t1. Okay, so we have v1 and t1 given. If I am increasing to its 2v1, then its tool life is t1 by 8. Sorry for that. Okay, so winter season is going on, so t1 by 8, right? So what we got here, 2v1 by this. So we got 2 cases from here. Now what I have to do, what I have to find out, that if it is happening, the exponent n is towards liquid. Okay, so we have to find out n. We have 2 cases, case 1 and case 2. By using these 2 cases, we have to find out what is the value of n. Now as you know, the equation is given v to the power n is equal to constant, right? So what we can do exactly, we know that suppose that it's v1 t1 to the power constant. Now second is here 2v1 t1 by 8 to the power n is equal to constant values are same, as you know. Therefore what we can write, v1 t1 to the power n 2v1 t1 by 8 to the power n. Right? Now v1 get cancelled, so 2 is remaining there. Again we got these values, right? So what we can do, let me write t1 to the power n by 2 is equal to t1 to the power n by 8 to the power n. So t1 to the power n and t1 to the power n get cancelled. So what we got values are 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 8 to the power n, because 1 to the power, if I am doing 1 to the power 100 even its value is 1, right? Not 100. So this is about it. That's why I have put it there. Okay. So from this, what we can do basically? What we can do? We can write this equation 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 3n. Right? So what we can do here also? What we can do? We can say 3n is equal to 1. By using log formula we can do also, right? So I mean, how? Natural log, put natural log. So so what will happen? Natural log 1 by 2 is equal to 3n natural log 1 by 2. So this cancels, so 3n is equal to 1. I have already shared with you how to do that. And n is equal to what? 1 by 3. So as you can see, the answers options you have given, and you can choose or mark the right answer quite easily. So which one is the right answer? Can you guess, my dear? Don't need to guess, because I have shared with you how to solve the question. So it's A is the right answer. I hope you have enjoyed the tutorial and learned a lot of stuff about Taylor's to Life numerical approach. And thanks for watching. See you soon in my next video. And of course, if you like the video, share this video with all of your friends. That's why they can also learn about Taylor's to Life in much better way and interactive way. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.